In this video, we'll walk through how to filter RFQs based on due date within the next 7 days using dynamic date filters in Loocey. We want to make sure we don't miss the deadline of submitting our bids, and to do this, we can use the new Loocey's dynamic date filters to create a saved view to show us the upcoming due dates. To make it easier, let's hide all unnecessary columns to create a more focused view. Click on Columns, then click on Hide All. This will hide all columns except Solicitation ID, which we want to keep. Then, let's select NSN, Status, Bid Status and Priority to show these columns. Next, let's drag the Bid Status column next to NSN and keep the Due Date column as the last column. Now we have a more focused view, and to save this, click on Save As and let's name it Due Within 7 Days, and save. This will create a tab at the top and allow us to always go back to this view with a single click. Next, click on Sort and let's make sure we select Due Date as the column and sort by ascending, and let's hit Save again to save the changes. And if you could save this as another view called Due Date to simply see all RFQs based on due date, but for this example, we want to see what's at least 7 days out so we have enough time to work on it. Now click on Filter to open the Filters dialog and add filter. Select Due Date as the column. Next, choose the condition, days greater than today. Then, enter 7 as the value. This will filter the table to show RFQs based on their due date relative to today's date. The system compares the due date to today and returns records according to the selected range. Since this is a dynamic date filter, the system will always use the current date for filtering. That means you don't need to adjust the filter manually each day. It will always update automatically based on today's date, and simply save your view to keep filter changes. That's it for today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified when we release new tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.